Welcome to the In and Out Festival, 75th anniversary. Thank you for joining me today. Sit back and enjoy. California special. Sweet color. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. It's a 40. I never even picked them up. That blue just pops. It's more organized to the side here. $56. I remember seeing that one at the Ontario show.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. GS.
Pretty impressive size starship.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look, we're talking about they're against the fish.
Check out the beats on that. That's cool.
Looks like the one that was on the sign. I gotta start digging out my backpack place. The Hot Wheels car.
Yeah.
This is cool. An old Pinto.
This is for Heather Hanscom at the Blue Box Model Shop. A lot of cars out here today.
Friends and family, please welcome to the stage the Windbreaker.
That's not really limited to here.
It's got it on the roof too.
Yeah, that's the first time ever. You didn't have enough battery?
Yeah, I got backup.
Took out the Willys Jeep down there.
Nova gets it.
Heavy duty switches. Probably 64.
Yeah, sweet.
Did you see the guy with the old Super Shops t-shirts?
Uh-uh.
Red and orange and the wings and yellow t-shirts. I had one. But I never got it fucking worn out.
Yeah, I remember.
Remember that?
Be sure to stick around for the drag racing. We'll hit that up in a minute.
Get situated and probably go check it out. Good to see you, man. Catch you later.
Nice meeting you. Beautiful.
You know that scene in Greece?
bit of everything out here for you. Definitely a lot of nice stuff. Don't see those too often, and you don't see these too often. That's beautiful. I love that black and gold. Pearl pink. You either love them or you hate them.
Gear vendors. I don't remember that. I don't remember that they made stuff like that.
That's the brightest yellow ever.
Thank you. Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
We're called the Windbreakers LA, as in Los Angeles. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you.
Where do we get one of those to ride around on? Because I need one of those. The rest
No,
of the
after
day.
today.
That's how I want to get around.
I'm a dancer, man, so it's gonna be hard for me. You need a rest. Yeah, you're right. Taking it to the streets. It's taking it to the streets. Take it to the streets. Thank you, brother. You don't know me, but I'm your brother. I was raised here in this building. You don't know my kind Tired poverty, despair. You tell me the things you're going to for me. Hey, I ain't found it, I don't think I was. Take it, she was ready. Now you don't need no man. Hey, yeah, yeah. Said I can't take it.
Man, sing a little bit. You're trying to keep a low profile, I understand. I understand.
It's actually Bob Seger, ladies and gentlemen. He's one of our biggest fans. Big Carva. Thank you so much. Again, we're the Windbreakers, LA, Los Angeles. Look for us on Instagram. Check us out. Check you out.
I'm sure.
70s.
I like that. I like the split bumper.
Pistol grip. Beautiful day for a car show. I'll be there. That's coming up soon. I'll be at SEMA next week, and then I'll be going to that event. That's too cool.
And then there's a bunch of bracket racing happening.
Looking for something to smack on. Check this off. Brought a dog over.
He's getting it. That's slick. Gonna start making our way to the drags. I got some big boys running. I gotta shout out my boy Sean at the Scale Model Car Guy channel. I'll have a link to his channel below. Go check them out and give them some love.
Move on to round number 2. The winner of this next pair will face off against Brett Williamson in round number 2. We saw CSX to the landing.
Still people are coming in. Are you guys good?
CSX to the back of the lane for Perry.
My dad had one of these back in the early 70s. He didn't have it very long, but had it long enough to have some fun in it.
Rick Fisher's car is made of the coolest thing on the property. And a 64 Pontiac GTO. It's got a blown 481 cubic inch Rodeck motor in it. And Wade Joseph is having problems. Joseph, who has come all the way from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, is trying to start that car and nothing is happening. Two guys gonna get a bar on it, try to back the motor off a little bit. And that thing is bound up tight.
So we're here at the southern end, at the end of the drag strip. I'm about ready to make a run here.
Meanwhile, Rick Fleischer is waiting patiently. Car idling. Wade Joseph is making one final attempt here. And they're going to send Fleischer, I believe,
As soon as they come down, I'll come back. And of course, the Water Up guys are here. If you've watched my channels, you've seen this. Yeah.
When I first moved to Indianapolis, that's the one I had was a 60 Pontiac hardtop Turbo.
They put Pinto motors in it. You'd probably put a 302 in, but they're like 120.
A little bit of everything out here.
I was watching a YouTube video today about trucks. They don't make these things. I mean, literally.
Well, let's go see what's his name?
I think it was $100. Yeah.
That would be today.
Like maybe
And the Mustang is nice.
Reserve parking.
Yeah, it's a Shelby.
You see that kid that was right ahead of me when we were walking in to see him? And I asked.
I don't see too many panels at all the shows I've been at.
Walked by it, she's like, maybe. Did you see that?
I'll tell you later.
Detroit speed
don't know where he's at now. Yeah, just walked right by John Forrest. He's out here enjoying the racing as well. There he is right there in white hat.
You enjoying it? Everything good?
Oh yeah, great show. Oh great, thank you.
And all the throwback uniforms. From the beginning to the end.
Out of house in Westbrook. Okay, well that ought to move pretty good.
So this was Lindsay Snyder's dad's car.
You know, cars really helped in make in and out. You know, it wasn't for cars coming in, we wouldn't be where we are today. This car here in particular was built by Ford in 1962 to 1967. It's a special car that I keep up. I have to maintain it. I can't leave it in the garage and let it sit for a year at a time because it deteriorates. But this baby here, we take even more consideration. We stay on top of it every minute of the day. This has been around since 1948.
My dad's 68 Dodge Charger, and yeah, this car is really special to me. I know that I have memories with my dad in this car. We actually got this piece at Terminal Island drag strip. This was actually a car that he had in high school, and there's footage of him, and when I just see him in this car, and I think of the nostalgia and just how In-N-Out started with the two-way speaker and how innovative my grandfather was and just how neat the culture is. So this car just represents a lot of that In-N-Out family history for me. The cars and the culture. It's so neat. Love you guys. I appreciate you so much. God bless you and hope to see you soon.
Shout out to Rusty Rotors. I'll have a link to his description. He's going to build a model car of this, similar to this.
It was on a 750 pass. It went 490, 480 in the 8th at 147.
A lot of racers here today.
Just totally awesome. It is, to me, it's such a neat thing that Lindsay is so passionate about this sport, not just in name and not just as being supportive as having the brand as the title brand on this racetrack, but as a participant. She can hang with the best of them out here. She has great equipment and she has great acting behind the wheel. Super fun to have her out here making rounds at this 75th anniversary celebration.
So they were talking about Lindsay Snyder, who was the heiress of the In-N-Out Corporation. She's out here running cars too. that REO that was running down the strip. Noisemaker, I bet it does.
We need Mopar competitors to the back of the lanes for pairing, please. Mopar, round 2 runners. Mopar, round 2 runners, we need you back to the staging lanes, please. Mopar, round 2 to the back of the lanes for pairing.
Cuda.
The headlining acts for tonight's concert on that truly spectacular day.
Nice. That's sweet. Thunderbolt. There's the big stage where they got a concert tonight. Supposedly ZZ Top will be performing. As you can see, there's cars for miles. Big turnout today. gotta give this a mention. You don't see too many short wheelbase Dodge pickups. Take this opportunity to say thank you for all your support and watching the videos. I really appreciate it. Try to bring you as much as I can. So much happening here in Southern California. Remember seeing this one last year at the Moon Eyes event, or shall I say early this year. You guys might recognize this one. This is what I used as a base to build my 48-hour group build Chevy 2 Gasser. This one's much nicer than my model though. That's an old one there. That's cool. Another Chevy 2. So running all Mopars right now.
Need the 1964 Chevelle.
Those of you on the East Coast, this is the Pomona Drag Strip, home of the Winter Nationals. Let's go check out some racing.
Dead square in the center of the windshield for Jim Butterback. A nostalgia nitro burning funny car, as much as we saw Alice Monroe's car, a modern version. This is where we came from. His way back to the starting line. Jim has been Dutchman stage, where In-N-Out Burger's Chief Operating Officer Danny Warnick and famed car enthusiast Jay Leno are presenting the Car Show Awards. That's going to be happening in about 10 minutes. Continue the fun at the Flying Dutchman stage with Blue Breeze performing your favorite rotating. Dutchman stage.
I remember that Chevy too. From
1091 Ford, 119 miles an hour. California. Turns to 1080 and gets beat. And now we move into the miscellaneous muscle category. Once again, here's a reminder that coming up in just 10 minutes at the Flying Dutchman stage, it will be the Chief Operating Officer of In-N-Out Burger, Danny Warnick, and famed car enthusiast Jay Leno. Taking on that orange Mustang. The orange Mustang gets
Well, if you're from California, you know there's always a line at the In-N-Out Burger, and there's no exception here. So there's a line here. This is one truck. There's another truck down there with a line. On that row over there, there's 3 or 4 trucks. There's lines there. So, yeah, people in California love them some In-N-Out Burger.